All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to a new week of trading here on the channel. I'll only be here trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday this week. I did get one trade in today. We're going to break it down in this video. Let's go this trade. Okay, so the trade today was here on LLAP, LLAP. You can see it hitting on the scanner to my right. Actually, a pretty good alert here as it pops up through 3. I decided to go ahead and get it started here at 302 with 200 shares and figured this could be one that I could get some bigger size into if it gives me the opportunity to do that. So was looking forward to get up through 320 here before getting my first add in. So looking for up through 320 was my ideal spot here. And you see it gets right to 319 here and can't break through 320. So I'm not in here with an add yet on LLAP. I was hoping it was going to get through 320 there for a nice add in, and then you can see what it does here. As soon as it hit that 320, it's going to go ahead and come back down right to basically where my first entry was. So then I could have been looking at taking 75% off and looking to piece it out from there, and then if it came back out, could have added back in. So this trade could have definitely gone a number of different ways. You can see it comes down here like I was saying. So I'm still looking at it here and I'm thinking about where would I want to add in depending on what it does. And I'm like, okay, if it comes back up towards the highs, which was about 320, and it's kind of failing to get through that area, I might start it a little bit lower than I wanted on my first add here. So I'm thinking about it. If it tries to retest that 320 is basically what I'm going to be looking for to do an add. If it looks like it's not going to get through that 320, then I may consider it here. So it starts popping back up a little bit, getting into the 314s, 315s here, 316, 16, 17, not getting up through the 17s here. So I decided to add in 200 more shares right there. I think I got that at 315 was the actual fill there on that one. So I'm now in 400 shares short, average of 308. So gonna hopefully get this one back down through 3, but otherwise we'll see if it maybe makes a secondary move here, which it does, because about a minute and a half or so later, it does start coming up towards the highs, and here it's going to break through the highs. Now this time I wouldn't normally do the add this close, but once it broke through and kind of failed to really make any kind of decent push higher, I was like, okay, maybe this is just a little fake out breakout here to the upside. So I decided to add in another 400 shares up there at 324, I think it was 325, somewhere in there. So now I have 800 shares short at an average of just under 312. So just under 312 here with those 800 short. Several minutes goes by, it does slightly go up, but never had any real move beyond that. So once it started pulling back a little bit here, I did put my stop out over the highs, but at the same time I'm looking at it, I'm like, just not moving quite how I would love it to. So if it comes down and gets towards my average here, I may think about starting to cover part of this one out. So looking forward to get just kind of close to my average. I don't need necessarily exactly on or under in this case, especially with the VWAP sitting there, possibly going to be holding up. So as we come down under 314 here, I'm watching it. Can it get down lower towards 312, my average? It hits 312. I go ahead and decide to take 75% off right there. So I am out with 600 of the shares for a $6 loss. I've got 200 of the shares left just in case this thing wants to dump off and give me the opportunity to make some money here. So a few minutes goes by and it does come down a little bit, but nothing strong. So I decide, you know what, I'm just going to take this whole thing off here at 308. Gets me out of any red on this one. I'll be basically break even overall after commissions. So, you know, kind of it ended up being a nothing trade. Could have been bad though. Well, not bad, but could have been worse, could have been much, much better. So just kind of how the day was today. Wasn't a lot of moves or opportunities out there today. I spent part of the morning messing with, there's a new beta version of the Intensity Stockwatch scanner that team members have access to right now. Still messing with some stuff, but guys, I'm telling you right now, it is awesome. A huge upgrade over the current version out. So as soon as that comes out and is available to the public, I will be sure to let you all know. But I'm going to hit the gym, and then this afternoon, I'm planning on using my new trading station, which I will have a video coming out on either Thursday or Friday this week, hopefully, showing you guys my new trading station. So make sure you tune in for that. Sorry. For some reason, I'm pretty tired right now, even though I got plenty of sleep. I don't know why. But if you want to make sure you don't miss any of those videos, make sure you hit like, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll catch you in the next one.